crowds of the big city, deep in the shaded knolls and quiet glens of the countryside, lurks adventure. Here in this forest primeval, relentlessly stalking his prey, one finds that bold, crafty sportsman, the bird watcher.
Hello there. I represent the Frenzied Bird Watchers Association, and I am watching birds.
Do you love me?
Yes, I do. Love birds.
Do you love me?
Yes, indeed I do. Isn't that the cutest thing?
Well, if you love me so much, get to work, you loafer.
Bird watching is exciting. Hound dog, hound dog. I'm coming back to you, Cucamonga. Ah, a hummingbird.
What's up?
I'm a bird watcher, watching birds.
Oh, boy, you are? Well, start watching me.
Ridiculous. You're not a bird.
I am too a bird.
You a bird? Prove it.
Okay. Timber!
My fine feathered friend, you are a woodpecker, and I would like to study your habits.
More, you fascinate me.
Very flattering. But let's get on with our studies.
Oh, brother, this guy is for the birds.
I'll have to ask you not to do that. Where is that crazy woodpecker? Oh, there you are. Now to capture the quaint antics of the woodpecker for posterity.
My, what big eyes you have, Dad.
Oh, thank you. Now try to act like a woodpecker.
A woodpecker? Okay, watch the birdie. Peek-a-boo. How's this? Let's get a long shot.
Hey, let go.
Let go? All right.
Aha! I've got you.
What you got in the box, Dad?
A woodpecker. I'm watching it.
Which one is it?
Which one is it? It's that little fellow, about your size, with red hair, and... Uh-oh, something's wrong here. Oh, a little firecracker. Bird watching is exciting. Two can play at this game. All right, put her right in here.
Would you care to watch the birds, sir?
Oh, yes, indeed. Ah, birds, little feathered friends, lovely little birds.